As you may have seen on one of my previous videos with the Raspberry Pi and the breadboard, I had soldered on pins to the battery pack, but the soldering is not working out well. The connections are temperamental. I can connect them, but especially this ground lead is not very strong. So I can go ahead and plug it directly into the board. Okay, there it goes. So want to come up with something a little bit more permanent. So if you've noticed my previous videos, I had this jumper wire connected to the USB, but I didn't want to use one of my USB power adapters. By power adapter, I meant one of these power packs. I wanted to try to find a way to use rechargeable AA batteries. So the solution I found is this battery box. It has an on-off switch and takes 4 AA batteries and has a USB connector in. So I can go ahead and put in the rechargeable batteries, and the cover just slides on. It has an on-off switch. So I'm going to go ahead and disconnect this battery pack, which I'll most likely be soldering directly onto this board for the wire wrap once that's complete. The power is going to be one of the last things I connect. Let's give this board a little test. Plug it into the battery pack and turn it on. Okay, so this is how I'm going to leave it for now. I'm going to work on getting that to be a better connection. I've also purchased other battery boxes to use. I have this 3 cell one. See how long that lasts. Again, that has the small connectors, the thin leads that won't go onto a breadboard, but should be able to solder onto the prototype board. I'm going to take this, put this aside, and we will go back to working on the prototype board, most likely in the next video. So you have a great day.